Bay Windows. Anthem Bay Window Replacement. Anthem Arizona delivers a strong upgrade for curb appeal, comfort, and interior light in homes across Anthem AZ. Homeowners searching for bay window replacement. Anthem Arizona often want a solution that improves appearance while also addressing drafts, damaged seals, and aging frames. Residential bay window replacement can transform older openings into efficient, attractive focal points, especially when paired with modern bay window upgrades, window sealing and caulking, and premium replacement windows. Anthem AZ for better performance in the desert climate. Energy-efficient bay windows. Anthem and low-E glass bay windows are smart choices for Arizona homes that need better temperature control and reduced solar heat gain. Double-pane bay windows and triple-pane bay windows help improve insulation, while double-pane replacement windows. Anthem AZ support lower utility costs and more consistent indoor comfort. For homeowners looking at Anthem Arizona energy-saving window upgrades, insulated glass replacement and low-E glass window replacement. Anthem AZ can make a major difference in rooms exposed to direct sunlight. Bay windows. Anthem bay window installation should be handled by experienced residential window installers who understand the structural and aesthetic demands of these specialty openings. Custom bay window installation. Anthem AZ is often the best path for homes needing a tailored fit, and replacement window contractors can recommend the right frame, glass, and configuration for each property. Whether the project involves new construction, detailing, or a retrofit, professional bay window contractors near Anthem help ensure proper alignment, weather sealing, and long-term durability. Drafty window installation is often the first step before a full upgrade, especially when homeowners notice air leakage around an older bay structure. Drafty bay window installation. Anthem can sometimes include window frame installation and replacement. Anthem AZ, wood trim window replacement, or targeted window sash replacement to restore performance without replacing every component. When damage is extensive, full-frame window replacement. Anthem Arizona may be the better option for a lasting residential bay window replacement. Vinyl bay window replacement is a popular choice for homeowners who want low-maintenance durability, while vinyl replacement windows. Anthem AZ offer a practical balance of cost, insulation, and style. Custom bay window replacement and residential bay window upgrades. Anthem are ideal for properties that need a specific color, shape, or finish to match existing architecture. In many cases, custom home windows. Anthem Arizona can be designed to complement both traditional and modern facades while supporting efficient home window replacement. Bay window retrofit services. Anthem provide a flexible way to update older homes without major structural changes. Retrofit bay windows are often used when the existing wall opening can be preserved, reducing labor while still improving energy performance and appearance. For many homeowners in bay windows. Anthem neighborhoods, retrofit options combined with house window upgrades can deliver the benefits of a modern system without the disruption of a full rebuild. Window replacement for homes in Anthem AZ should always account for climate, exposure, and long-term maintenance. Residential window replacement. Anthem AZ often includes picture window and bay window solutions for living rooms, kitchens, and front-facing spaces where light and views matter most. Curved window replacement is another specialized service for homes that feature unique architectural details, and trusted residential window installers can match the new unit to the original design with precision. A bay window renovation can do more than refresh a single opening. It can redefine the look and feel of an entire room. Modern bay window upgrades, insulated glass replacement, and window frame replacement create a more polished result that feels both functional and stylish. Homeowners comparing house window replacement. Anthem Arizona options often discover that a well-planned bay window installation improves both resale value and everyday comfort. Licensed window installers. Anthem Arizona are essential when selecting a window replacement company in Anthem AZ for specialty projects. Best bay window installers in Anthem AZ understand load support, flashing, sealant application, and finish details that protect the home from dust, heat, and moisture intrusion. From bay window contractors near Anthem to Anthem AZ home window installers, choosing qualified professionals helps ensure the project meets code and performs well over time. Anthem AZ residential glass replacement is frequently paired with low-E glass window replacement Anthem AZ when homeowners want better control over sunlight and fading. Triple-pane bay windows Anthem can be especially effective for premium applications, while energy-efficient bay windows Anthem support a quieter, more stable interior environment. For those seeking high-end options, premium replacement windows Anthem AZ and custom home windows Anthem Arizona create a refined look with strong thermal performance. Full-frame window replacement Anthem Arizona is often recommended when rot, frame failure, or severe wear affects the existing bay structure. This approach allows for complete removal and rebuilding, making it suitable for homes needing complete house window replacement Anthem Arizona rather than a partial fix. When combined with replacement window contractors who specialize in specialty openings, full-frame work can restore both structural integrity and visual appeal. Bay window replacement Anthem AZ remains one of the most effective upgrades for homeowners who want better comfort, stronger insulation, and a more attractive exterior. From residential bay window upgrades Anthem to bay window retrofit services Anthem, the right solution depends on condition, budget, and design goals. Whether the need is residential window replacement Anthem AZ, custom bay window replacement, or a simple window sealing and caulking service, Anthem AZ bay window replacement can deliver lasting value for homes throughout the area. Bay window replacement in Anthem AZ delivers an immediate upgrade for curb appeal, comfort, and efficiency, especially when paired with energy-efficient bay windows, low-E glass bay windows, and double-pane bay windows. Homeowners searching for bay window replacement. Anthem Arizona, residential bay window replacement, or bay window installation often want a solution that improves insulation, reduces drafts, and modernizes the look of the home. In Anthem Arizona, premium replacement windows Anthem AZ and custom bay window replacement can transform older openings into stylish, high-performance features that fit both traditional and contemporary homes. Residential window replacement. Anthem AZ often starts with a careful inspection of the existing frame, sash, trim, and glass to determine whether full-frame window replacement, window sash replacement, or retrofit bay windows are the best fit. For many properties in bay windows Anthem, residential window installers recommend house window upgrades that include window sealing and caulking, insulated glass replacement, and drafty window installation to stop heat loss and air leaks. When the structure is sound, bay window retrofit services Anthem can provide a cost-effective upgrade without unnecessary demolition. Custom bay window installation Anthem AZ is ideal for homeowners who want a tailored look with practical performance benefits. Whether the project calls for vinyl bay window replacement, curved window replacement, picture window and bay window solutions, or modern bay window upgrades, the right design can improve natural light and panoramic views. Anthem AZ home window installers and licensed window installers. Anthem Arizona frequently recommend triple-pane bay windows and low-E glass window replacement Anthem AZ for maximum comfort, noise reduction, and year-round energy savings. Window replacement for homes in Anthem AZ should always be handled by experienced replacement window contractors who understand local conditions, architectural styles, and energy goals. A trusted window replacement company in Anthem AZ can provide house window replacement Anthem Arizona, window frame replacement, and wood trim window replacement with precision. For homeowners comparing options, Anthem AZ residential glass replacement and window frame installation and replacement Anthem AZ are important services that can restore damaged units while improving long-term durability and performance. Bay windows Anthem energy-efficient bay windows Anthem are a smart investment for homeowners seeking lower utility bills and better indoor comfort. From double-pane replacement windows Anthem AZ to triple-pane bay windows Anthem, the right glazing package can make a noticeable difference in hot desert climates. Many Anthem AZ homeowners choose vinyl replacement windows Anthem AZ, custom home windows Anthem Arizona, or full-frame window replacement Anthem Arizona to create a long-lasting upgrade that supports efficiency, beauty, and property value. For best bay window installers in Anthem AZ, look for professionals who offer residential bay window upgrades Anthem, bay window contractors near Anthem, and complete bay window renovation services.